Mundad, making the mundane fun.
So I've got my old running trainers here. These are my New Balance running trainers. So they're too worn out now to be a running trainer, but I can still use them for just general use. And as you can see, these should be white. So I'm going to show you how to clean them properly. First of all, remove the laces. Next thing to do is use an old toothbrush and just work off any loose bits of mud or soil. That's done. Now clean your toothbrush. So I'm going to use some of the pink stuff here to work onto these bits here, like the plasticky bits, the foamy bits. Just get a big spoonful, put it in some hot water. And then what I'm going to do is going to mix it together and use that on a toothbrush. 1 second. So on the toothbrush here, just scrub it into the foamy bits. And just repeat for the whole trainer and also the other one. I'm also going to do the base. Same technique, just pink stuff with some water on a toothbrush to scrub it all in. And keep going. Okay, so next thing is get yourself a bucket of hot water and get 2 dishwasher tablets and chuck them in. And get something to just stir them around with. Just use my hand just to get them to mix up. Just so they fully disintegrate. Pop your laces into the water and just make them sink to the bottom. Next thing I'm going to do is I've got this muck off. It's kind of a muck off cleaner for bikes. So because it's so soiled, I'm going to put some on here. Unfortunately, my spray bottle's broken, so I'm just going to pour it on quite liberally. And I'm going to work that in with the toothbrush in a second. So it's all kind of soaked in. With a spray bottle, obviously, it'd be a lot easier to just apply this, really. So I'm just going to carry on doing that, and now I'm just going to give it a really good scrub on the fabric with my toothbrush just to work all that in. And you do that over the entire trainers, all over both trainers, both front and back. So just do that over all of them. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dunk the trainer straight into the water here. And do it with the other one if there's room. Might need a bit of a bigger bucket. I'm going to leave them for about half an hour. If it's still looking a bit dirty, you can put some more pink stuff on the fabric part and just rub that in with your toothbrush, and do that for all the fabric parts of the trainer. Next thing to do is got some nice clean cold water and just rinse them off now. Just rinse off any of that soap. Do it to this one and also the other trainer, and also to your laces. Just give them a quick rinse off. Okay, and the very last thing you need to do is just get all the water out as much as possible, shake them off as best you can, and just leave them out to dry in the sun, hopefully. It's nice today. What they look like now after cleaning. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. See you again soon in the next one.